Hello guys, welcome to today's training. In this training I'll be showing you how to convert any coin to USDT and from USDT to any coin you want, from Doge, Bitcoin, Ethereum and what have you. So how you can convert them from one asset to another, whether from USDT to other coin or from other coin to USDT. Okay, I'll be showing you that. Alright, so first of all, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Amadine Etiosa. Please do well to subscribe and hit that notification bell to always notify whenever videos like this are posted. Alright, first of all, go to your Bybit account. I will just come here and type on Bybit. Alright, Bybit. This is Bybit. Alright, but if you don't have an account on Bybit, make sure you create an account on Bybit and download the app. Alright, download the app on Bybit. Okay, so it's asking me to log in. I'll quickly log in now. Alright, so as you can see, I've logged into my Bybit account. So this is it. Now, to get access to your assets, now this is the platform here. So if you want to deposit, you can come over to this place here and click on deposit. Alright, you can see it here. So you can deposit with P2P. Alright, this is P2P. You can buy and sell on P2P. Alright, before then, let me go back and show you something. Alright, so if you want to deposit, you can deposit with crypto. You can see it here, deposit with crypto. Alright, if you want to get your wallet and the rest of them, right, this is my USDT. If I want to get my wallet, select the network. Right, if it is TROC, you can see this is my wallet address for TROC network USDT. Alright, so if you want to check other one, this is Ethereum. Alright, you can see Ethereum, select the network too. Okay, but then what I want to show you today is how to convert from one asset to another. So once you are here, come over to this part here. Alright, you can see it here. So this part, come to assets. Alright, so once you come to assets, this is it. Alright, so come over to assets and you can see where it says convert. Alright, now let me show you that. Alright, this is it. You can see that say convert. So sorry about that. So this is it. Let me just show you. This is the convert here. Alright, so once you click on this convert, alright, so you come back to this part. You can see where it says from BTC to USDT. Alright, so since I want to convert from USDT to any platform, and you can see where it says deposit 0, I'll click on this icon here. Let me also show you. So I'll click on this icon. This icon is for switching. This icon. Alright, so once I come here now, if I want to switch from BTC to USDT, I'll click on that. Then once I click on this, now I will select any coin. Once you tap on this this little arrow there, you can see as many coin as possible. Alright, you can see as many coin as possible. Okay, so this is from any coin to USDT. Now if I want to convert from USDT to any coin, I will still switch on this arrow again, tap on this. Alright, so you can see it's switching. Can you see that? Can you see it? So now from USDT to any coin, so I'll click on USDT, then I will now select. Alright, you can see this. I'll just tap on this and select to Doge or any coin. Alright, so that is how to convert from USDT to any asset or from any crypto to USDT. Okay, hope you enjoy this value. Make sure you subscribe, and if you have not subscribed, and drop a comment if you have any challenge. I will be glad to help you fix it. Thank you. See you in my next video.